Hi there guys, it's Darren here from Darren's Emporium Comics and Collectibles, and it's been a while since I've done a video. A few ups and downs this start of this year, but we're getting there. We're getting there. So yeah, just a quick one. I went to the local comic shop, got some bags and some other little bits. So I thought I'd show off what I picked up. So the first thing, we've got the Infinite Frontier, we've got Supergirl, Woman of Tomorrow. This is one of 8, but I got the first 4 issues in this. And this is a minor key with Supergirl. And obviously there's a lot of announcement with the DC at the moment. There's like 10 TV shows and movies and things like that. And we're even getting all sorts of crazy stuff, Authority and everything like that. So, yeah, you never know. I believe this is a book that's sort of up there at the moment, around about the sort of £20 mark itself. So yeah, good pick up there. And then I just thought, why not? We'll do some Pokemon cards. So I will go through them right now. Let's see what we get. I'll just, alrighty, I'm not going to look. I believe it is 3 or 4. 4? Let's go 4. If it's wrong, it's wrong. Bam, energy. And we go 1, 2, 3, 5. Drowsy. And oh, one more card. Oh, that's quite a nice card. Oh, bam! We got a Superior V-Star. That's a nice card. And we got a Radiant Serena, or Serena. Not a bad packet. And next one. Never getting these. Alrighty, so it's 4 again. There's the code. I didn't do it on the last one. There's the code on this one as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alrighty. And energy. We've got energy. Can't even see who that is. What are we gonna get in the pack? What are we gonna get in the pack? And we got Dratini. And is that a reverse holo? It is. Oh, we got a Superior V. So the same Pokemon in different rare forms. And they are pretty awful on centering. Wow. Crazy. Hey ho. Not bad, not bad. That's just a little haul. Have got lots more content to hopefully in the next week or two. Fingers crossed CGC comes back. It's taken a little bit longer than I thought. But we'll see. It'll get here when it gets here, I suppose. How long is a piece of string? But yeah, thanks very much for watching, guys. I'm glad to be back. I'm glad to be doing videos. And yeah, stay tuned for more. And there'll be boot sale content as well. We'll be going back to that shortly. And also more from the unit. It's in Sawbridgeworth. It's Hertz and Essex. Unit 72 is my unit. Lots of comics, lots of action figures, comics from £1, or comics and books from £1, because there's lots of different books as well. Also, action figures are from £3, so you can get some really good prices and good deals there. So go check it out, please. And if you haven't, check out the other videos. I've got the link and the address on some of the other videos of the unit, so go check it out. And like the video, subscribe to the channel, and you know what to do. Happy hunting.